past months, our board has been working to identify the individual who will become our next county executive, succeeding Ed Long, and I would like to then also thank Kirk Kincannon for serving as interim during this period of time. He's done a fantastic job. Our board has had a number of focus groups and a survey for us to define what we are looking for in our next county executive, what are going to be some of the challenges, and what some of the skill sets and some of the attributes that we were looking for in a county executive. And so we have concluded that process, and so I am going to turn to Supervisor Penny Gross. She has a motion to appoint Bryan Hill. Bryan Hill is currently serving as the county administrator for James City County. And so while it's a smaller jurisdiction, many of the issues are the same, just on a different scale. And we're very, very excited to welcome Bryan Hill to Team Fairfax here in the wonderful county of Fairfax. Supervisor Gross.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. I believe this is the 5th county executive for me and the 4th search. And Madam Chairman, it gives me great pleasure to move the appointment of Bryan J. Hill as the next Fairfax County executive, effective January 2nd, 2018, at an annual salary of $250,000 and with contract provisions similar to those contained in the recently retired county executive's contract. Selecting a county executive is the most important hire the Board of Supervisors undertakes. Mr. Hill brings impressive leadership, management, communications, and budget experience to Fairfax County, and we look forward to working with him. And so I was very pleased to make the motion.
And I'm very pleased to second that motion jointly with Supervisors McKay and Supervisor Hudgens and Supervisor Harity. Did you want to also second that motion? A lot of us are seconding that motion. Is there discussion on the motion? Let me just say that this is a process that I think has been very good, actually, for our board to review what we were looking for and bringing a new county executive on board who we're really excited about working with. With that, all those in favor of the motion to approve say aye.
Aye.
Opposed say nay, and that motion carries unanimously. And Bryan Hill is here with us this afternoon. Bryan, if you'd like to rise. And are you here with is that your wife you're here with? Maybe I should have said something like that. I just did want to acknowledge Mrs. Hill. Thank you for joining us as well this afternoon. And already Bryan has had the opportunity to work with Kathy Spage up in HR, and we'll make sure that that Bryan has a very, very good transition into Fairfax County, and has a great bench of county employees and senior leadership that are looking forward to working with you and looking forward to having you as part of our team. So thank you.